Hello, the TechFo here, and today we are going to be unboxing a freebie that came with my Gigabyte Aero 15X. These are the Aero Beats headphones, which you know are made by Apple. They're the wired Beats EP, I believe, but with the special Gigabyte look, from what I can tell. So, I'm going to just unbox them. As you can see, it says Beats EP Black USA from Apple. So then, essentially, the only difference is you've got this nice little Aero thing. So you just take it off, and it's just Beats headphones, really. People aren't hearing all the music with Beats, Dr. Dre. Yeah, Beats EP. Yeah. So, actually, no. Oh, alright. Take that off too. Change the way you hear sound. Then we have the headphones in their pouch already. Pretty hefty feeling. In here we have the Beats EP guide. That's it. They don't. Yeah, it's wired, so they don't need anything else. Alright, so put that back in there. So then we come to themselves. Take them out of this nice pouch. And then you have them themselves. To be honest, the ear pads are so small. I mean, it's definitely styled. You can see in the actual headphones the style. You got the Aero. But these probably really won't get used, and I'll just sell them along with the laptop as just. I don't know. I just don't like the design. I mean, if I put them on, they don't fit my ears fully. They're kind of pointless. They're nice freebie, and it says come with free headphones is nice, and these are like $130, way overpriced considering just everything. But I guess you got this. Take off the. Though it's packaged quite nicely. We plug in device, then go to our definitely pretty loud sounding. Detachable wallet part. So first we're going to be talking about the case itself. So you can definitely hear it, so they definitely produce some good sound. I just don't like the design, to be honest. So, after doing that, we've got the headphones. Then in here, we've got important safety information. We've got a Beat sticker. And we've got info about the Apple one-year warranty. If I can get Apple cares for these, honestly. But, I mean, I really don't know what to say. Personally, I use the headphones that came with my Note 9, which are the JBL's like A65 BTNC or something. They're wireless, Bluetooth, noise-canceling ones that, for retail, are $200, and these guys are like $130. So I don't see why anybody would actually buy these, but as a freebie, I guess it's decent. It just doesn't really fit me well. So, yeah, that's about all you can say. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.